Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Hentality. Today, we're going to eat the world's largest gummy bear. Woo! Here we go. Gummy bears. Alright, we are back eating this giant gummy bear. 5 pounds of sugar. Woo! It's going to be amazing. Oh, man, it's going to be good. Alright, we're going to unbox it now. Here we go. Amazing stuff. It's heavy. Take a look at that. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're gonna open this up. You wanna see, ew, it's all sticky. So that is what a 5-pound gummy bear looks like. Pretty amazing, right? Pretty awesome. Alright. We are going to see how this tastes. It tastes just like a blue fruit roll-up. Pretty amazing. It doesn't taste like a gummy bear at all. So false advertising, the world's largest gummy bear? Hey, kiss my ass.